welcome back to Tonitra's garden. It is the evening, about 6 o'clock, and I have some beans to harvest. They're getting really big and one of my plants actually broke, so I don't want to lose the beans, so I'm gonna go ahead and harvest them with you guys. I am so excited, so let's go ahead and harvest some beans. OMG, that is enough for, I would say, a dinner for two. I believe these are yellow wax beans in here. I have a few coming on, but they're not big enough yet, so I'm gonna leave those. But you guys, I'm so sad one of my plants broke. I tried to trellis it, but it didn't work, so that's okay. But yeah, at Dollar General, they have like these little fences that you can buy. And I would highly recommend those for beans if you're going to grow them like on the edge of a raised bed, because beans get pretty big and they fall over once they start to fruit. So I do recommend some type of support for your beans, for your bush beans. So those are looking gorgeous. I think I have 2 more plants over there and they still have beans on them. I'm gonna give them a couple more days. I thought I could not grow beans until I started growing my beans in my raised beds, and that totally made a huge difference. I had always been trying to grow beans in containers, and I just don't think that containers, I mean, it depends. If you're growing your beans in like a 5-gallon bucket, I think it could work because the bucket is deep, But as far as like a shallow container, like the Dollar General Stackables, I do not recommend those for growing beans. I have tried for 2 seasons to grow beans in those, and every time my beans start to turn yellow and then they just don't really produce. They'll produce like a little scrawny bean, but I feel like all the nutrients just drains out too quickly, and beans have probably a very large root system. That's what I'm thinking. I have to pull one of these beans out and see, but the Dollar General Stackables just are not, they are not deep enough. And I don't know about containers either. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I've tried deeper containers and it still didn't work for me. Maybe I tried to grow them at the wrong time because I was new to gardening at that time. So yeah, I highly recommend growing your bush beans in a raised bed. They will do wonderful. But let me show you guys what the Stackables look like. So these are my Stackables. You guys remember when I planted this, how pretty the plants were? These they got nowhere. I don't know, they're just not big enough for beans for me. If you guys experience the same problem, comment down below and let me know, because I've tried this for 2 seasons and it's done the same thing. So I think that I'm just going to keep the Stackables for flowers. I find that flowers do well in these. So that's what I think I'm gonna use these for, not so much for vegetables. Now maybe we could do some lettuce or some Swiss chard or some herbs, but as far as beans and like small tomatoes and peppers, I would not recommend the Dollar Tree Stackables. So yeah, this compared to this, there's just no comparison. Beans need room to grow, you know? So that's what I've learned, and I will continue to grow my beans in a raised bed from now on. I'm not gonna say I will never try container gardening again with beans, but for now I'm good with this. I'm gonna take my bean harvest inside and I'm gonna figure out how I want to cook them. If you have any ways that you like to cook green beans, let me know in the comments down below so I can try it out. I think I might just saute them or something like that. I don't know, we'll see. But I am so happy with the harvest. If you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.